Welcome back to the channel. Well, we're going to be talking about this 1971, literally a Mini Cooper truck. This is one of my coolest things to ever be able to say, a mini truck, literally. So basically what I want to talk about is that people had asked me, why does it take sometimes the time that it takes to fix these cars, repair old vehicles, and etc. Well, like in this vehicle, I originally came into this project and I was just going to put a stereo in it. That was it. I was going to, hey, you know what? Rebuild the dash, no big deal. But once I started getting into it and started seeing underneath what was going on, the weld lines, the problems, the issues that were associated with those, having to repair them, then the electrical system, which was woefully inadequate in terms of what it needed to be, it snowballs. It literally is like pulling a thread, and in a big yarn, and next thing you know, the whole damn yarn falls, opens up and stuff on you. And so, like last week, I was working on that door. Fixed all the window problems, the track issues, all the things that are associated with that window or with that door. Period. Door locks, everything, the hammers, all that stuff. Um, I get over here to the driver's side, and I discover something insanely bad. So you're looking at a crack, right? It goes all the way around, and then all the way around the backside. So it's literally like, look, watch this. That's the movement of the portion of the window right there. So what they did was they just put this little tack weld right here on the inside. They didn't bother to fix or repair actually the crack itself. So like another YouTuber that I know and stuff, or at least I watch, I should say, it's Inheritance Machining. He likes to say, look, I got a new side project. This is the reason why that when you are building or rebuilding older vehicles and stuff that have not been maintained over the years and stuff like that, you run into some serious issues. And these issues are going to be stuff like this, where other people tried to hide the problems, but the reality is the issues are still there. So gotta fix that. So it's another welcome to my side projects. I can't get into the wiring because I need to fix the door so I can get my wiring, because I got wiring coming from the door because I have new lighting and everything inside there. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update on where I am on this 1971 Mini Cooper truck. I love this thing. It's just the coolest little vehicle in the world. It's like a go-kart for adults. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.